Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Report's online morning update for the 4th of October 2011. Europe's debt crisis worsened overnight, hammering global markets for a second consecutive session. Greece fueled the overnight carnage after its latest budget missed already agreed upon austerity targets. There are now grave fears the country will run out of cash by the time it is scheduled to receive the next lot of its bailout money. Worries that a Greek default will trigger another financial meltdown even overshadowed data showing a surprise increase in US manufacturing activity. Financials were the worst performers in the US amid heightened fears over their exposure to troubled European banks. The Aussie market is set for another dismal session following the overnight rout. Aussie futures are currently pointing to an 80-point drop on the open. US markets bore the brunt of last night's sell-off, with the Dow and S&P 500 now trading at their lowest levels in more than a year. Commodities tied to economic growth were battered amid concerns over declining demand for resources. Europe's debt woes weighed heavily on the euro, which slumped more than 1% against the yen and the US dollar. The Aussie also fell sharply against the greenback ahead of today's RBA interest rate decision. Although the market is widely expecting interest rates to be unchanged, the local unit may still come under pressure from a dovish statement. Overnight, the SPY drifted towards the 3900 region before falling into a heap in line with the collapse on Wall Street. The index traded all the way down to 3820, where it remained until the closure of the US session.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.